most likely your personal trainer is going to ask you to do exercises that you've done the day before and the day before. You're not going to tell your gym instructor, I've done this exercise yesterday, I don't need to do it today. You have to repeat it. The same thing applies with gratitude. Gratitude becomes powerful when you repeat it, when you repeat what you're grateful for every single day for little things, like I'm grateful for this table, I am grateful for the ceiling, I am grateful for the cup of coffee I had earlier on, I'm grateful for the water I drank earlier on. It has an amazing creative power. It's like a magnet. You become a magnet of attracting the circumstances that you want to create to define the future that you want to define. As simple as that.